you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm glad to be here today officially to open Chef's Kitchen, an investment by the Ames Rental Group. I'd like to congratulate Mr. Anwar Shah for this achievement and for having the foresight and courage to venture into a new business that is uncharted territory for him. I've been informed that the Ames Rental Group has invested a total of approximately $80,000 for this restaurant and will employ about 11 personnel. Chef's Kitchen will provide both the local patrons and visitors a wide range of cuisines such as Chinese, Italian, Indian, to name a few, and will also offer catering for special events. A new restaurant in Nadi town will provide an enhanced dining experience for both our locals and our visitors. I'm confident that this restaurant will become a favorite among both. Tourists today, while searching for new experiences, want to experience the local culture and cuisine when on holiday. Food is a significant aspect of the experience of a destination, driven by the growing trends of authenticity and a demand of a high-quality experience. As tourists' desire for new experience increases, the authentic restaurant experience becomes more important. Authenticity is about food that is simple, rooted in the region, natural, ethical, and honest. These features have the potential of creating a true food tourism destination. The Chef's Kitchen will provide the doorway to the real Fiji, the multicultural Fiji, a Fiji that has absorbed a number of cultures and created a truly unique cuisine. Tourism, particularly food tourism, allows communities to generate income and is important for employment opportunities, providing jobs for local chefs, whilst also fueling other sectors of the local economy such as agriculture. This is where my ministry and the Ministry of Agriculture are working together to ensure that the hotels and restaurants, especially in the tourism sector, use only Fijian-grown fruits and vegetables. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm truly delighted to join in the celebrations with the Ames Rental Group staff and management in their successful achievement of opening this restaurant. Ames Rent-A-Car is a wholly Fijian-owned company which opened its doors for business in 2004. The company has achieved tremendous goodwill and excellent clientele through the delivery of unprecedented services and a top range of vehicles. The company started with just 10 Japanese import cars, as he mentioned earlier, and now Ames Rent-A-Car has a fleet of over 40 vehicles, 90% of them brand new. Ames Rent-A-Car has always believed in sheer perfection and worked in accordance with the need of its clients. The company stands by its motto, "Our aim is your satisfaction." And now Ames will commit to deliver the same satisfaction through Chef's Kitchen and its consumers. Companies, I understand, determined, and other such investment projects are already underway with Media Partners Fiji and Ames Apartments. This restaurant, ladies and gentlemen, is a great addition to aid Nadi in becoming a culinary region in addition to what it is known for most, the gateway to Fiji. This initiative has the potential to become a major tourist attraction for Fiji, generating a new strain of income in an already robust industry. It's important for a region's culinary tourism to establish itself as a unique and memorable dining destination that locals will refer visitors to and tourists will want to return again and again. Restaurants have always been places to celebrate a special occasion or to mark an important milestone, to bond with new friends or grow closer as a family. They provide a service to our communities unlike any other. And even as tastes and customs have changed over time, restaurants remain an incredibly dynamic part of our Fijian lifestyle. In fact, 1/3 of the meals we eat are at restaurants. There are 5 key pieces that must come together for a restaurant to be successful. It's the menu, the ingredients, the atmosphere, the service, and the reputation. The last one is dependent on how well you execute the others. and the best restaurants masterfully blend these elements together to create the ultimate dining experience. Furthermore, the Fiji National University launched their annual International Food Festival last year as part of its ongoing initiative to meaningful collaboration between education, training, and the real world of commerce. While this will further align the focus on important aspects of our food culture, I believe still more can be done. Therefore, I wish to pose a challenge to you and to other restaurant operators out there to form a national restaurant association. Such an association will enable like-minded entrepreneurs to get together to discuss issues concerning the industry, provide an opportunity to network and learn each other's experiences. The association could become a self-regulating body that will ensure that the standards of food and service are enhanced, and most importantly, the association will provide its members a collective voice. Ladies and gentlemen, getting back to today's occasion, I wish Mr. Shah and his family and management and staff of Chef's Kitchen all the best, and we look forward to seeing you flourish and expand your operations to other parts of Fiji. With these words, I now have much pleasure in launching Chef's Kitchen and wishing it many years of success.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we get the ribbon cutting, we will have